Hey guys, welcome to case study number 2. In this case study, I'm going to show you a t-shirt campaign that I recently launched that did pretty well. It was related to the welders niche, and welders is a super hot niche right now, as you probably know. And by the way, this concept was very simple because I took something already existent that was doing very well. I'm pretty sure you have seen this concept around a ton of times. So my concept was this one, welder because badass is an unofficial job title. The final design for this shirt was this one right here. You can see the design was pretty killer. I used welder, the niche at the top, red color, and then the white. This was, if I remember correctly, the Capture It font, which is very popular among designers, and you might want to check it out for your own designs. I ended up selling around 100 units, and right now I want to show you exactly what I did for this campaign. Starting from the copy, the sales page copy was pretty simple. This is actually the copy that I used. So, calling all welders, the very first t-shirt literally sold out in the first days. Act now, don't delay. Not sold in stores, guaranteed safe and secure checkout via PayPal, Visa, MasterCard. Click buy it now to pick your size and order. Feel free to swipe this copy as you like and prefer. For this campaign, I set up different options with different price points. Hanes Tagless Tee, $19.95. Gildan Heavy Blend Hoodie, $39.95. It was. Canvas Ring Spoon V-neck, $24.95. Gildan Women's Relaxed PT, $19.95. With different colors, of course, black and gray, and I ended up selling the total, if I remember correctly, was 106 units in the actual time I ran my campaign. Now I want to show you what I did exactly by jumping into the ad that I set up for this campaign. I'm going to show you exactly my numbers, so don't worry. I named my ad campaign Badass Welder. Pretty simple. I spent $534.76 on the ad, and I set up both desktop and mobile ad sets. So I want to quickly tell you the numbers for the ad set, and then I'm going to show you the numbers for the desktop ad set. Okay, my post engagements for both of them were 6,225. The ad reach was 33,124. Frequency 1.74. The average cost per post engagement was 10 cents. And now, as you can see here, the numbers for the desktop ad set. So ad set was Badass Welder desktop ad. The daily budget was $20. Post engagements 1,400. Cost per post engagement 16 cents. Reach was 17,786. Frequency 1.53. The total ad spend was 534.76, and the clicks total were 1,032 clicks. The actual copy now I want to show you for the Facebook post that I made. As you can see below, my actual copy was very simple. Do you love being a badass welder? Then you gotta get this. Get yours here. Then you're gonna insert your T campaign link there. Not sold in stores. This will sell out. And then you just insert the t-shirt image with a black border around it. So this was a PPE ad, and obviously my potential audience was 19,000 people living in the US. I'm going to show you the targeting right now. I also inserted welding as field of study because I was targeting welders. So the age was from 21 to 55. Language English, and placements was desktop ad set. So I targeted everyone who was studying welding. As targeting interest, I used terms like welders, welding, welder certification, Miller Electric welders, Jackson safety welders. I'm pretty sure you're gonna find a ton more, but this specific interest terms helped me narrow down the potential audience to 19,000 people, which was very good for me. I also inserted something very simple, like I showed you, welder or welding, nothing complicated, just straight to the point, and this was a very targeted audience. The CTR click-through rate wasn't that great, but at the end of the day, it was converting pretty decently to me. Okay, so I ended up spending 534.76 on the ad, and the campaign ended up making me about 972.9 cents, and it gave me a net profit of $437.33. This is basically all for this case study. As you can see, very simple ad spend and sold over 100 units.